In the wild, feral cats thrive, showcasing their independence and resilience. These remarkable creatures adapt to their surroundings, relying on their instincts. They hunt alone, demonstrating their self-reliance and survival skills. Feral cats teach us valuable lessons about independence. Their resilience inspires us to trust in our own strength. Are you ready to embrace your independence? Like these cats, we can learn to adapt and thrive. Every challenge faced is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the wild spirit within you. Remember, independence is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more. Trust in your strength and embrace your journey.